Hello and welcome to Blackstone Solicitors. Private equity investment in sport is booming. From football clubs to rugby teams, investors are increasingly looking for opportunities to acquire stakes in clubs with strong growth potential. But before anyone writes a check, they want to see the numbers, the contracts, and the legal health of the business. That's where the concept of a data room comes in. A data room is essentially a secure, organized repository of all the documents an investor will want to review before completing a deal. It's your chance to show that your club is professionally managed, financially sound, and ready for investment. Done right, it can accelerate a sale. Done poorly, it can scare investors off, or worse, expose legal risks that could reduce your club's value. So, what goes into a properly prepared data room? First, governance documents. Investors want to see your club's articles of association, board minutes, shareholder agreements, and any historic resolutions. These show how decisions are made and whether the club operates transparently. Next, contracts. Sponsorship agreements, player contracts, commercial deals and leases all need to be organized and complete. A missing contract or an ambiguous clause can become a red flag in negotiations. We are well positioned to work with football and rugby clubs in England, preparing for private equity investment. One example could see a client with a multi-million-pound investment on the table, but their data room was disorganized and incomplete. By carefully reviewing all player contracts, commercial agreements, and governance documents, we would ensure everything was in order. The investor's confidence skyrocketed and the deal closed on time. Financial records are equally critical. Audited accounts, debt schedules, tax compliance records, and projected budgets help investors understand the value and risks of the club. Legal issues cannot be ignored either. Pending disputes, regulatory investigations, or non-compliance with league rules must be disclosed up front. Investors respect transparency, and failing to provide it can derail a deal. Finally, accessibility and organization matter. Digital data rooms allow secure access to documents, track who has viewed what, and ensure sensitive information is protected. At Blackstone Solicitors, we guide clubs not only in gathering and reviewing documents, but also in structuring the data room to inspire confidence and streamline due diligence. Private equity can transform a club's future, but preparation is key. A well-prepared data room demonstrates professionalism, reduces risk, and can significantly increase the club's value. For clubs considering investment or sale, early legal advice is essential. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into the legal side of sport. And if your club is preparing for investment, the team at Blackstone Solicitors is here to guide you through the process, ensuring your data room is investor ready.